In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use strong variation in Midjourney. By the end, you'll know exactly how to explore bold, creative alternatives to an image you've already generated without starting from scratch. Strong variation is perfect when you like the concept of a result, but want Midjourney to take bigger swings, changing composition, lighting, color, or even the arrangement of key elements, while still keeping the spirit of your original prompt. First, head to the Midjourney bot inside Discord. Open your conversation with the bot or navigate to a server where the bot is available to you. Make sure you're signed in and have access to your previous generations, because we're going to work from an image you already created. If you're new, it helps to run a few generations first so you have a base image ready to vary. Next, find the specific image you want to push further and look below it for the action buttons. Locate the option labeled Vary, Strong, and click it. That's all there is to invoking strong variation. Midjourney will spin up a fresh grid of 4 alternatives that reinterpret your chosen image with more dramatic changes than a standard variation would. Expect noticeable shifts, new angles, bolder color palettes, different focal points, or rebalanced compositions, while still echoing your initial idea. A few tips while you wait for the new grid to render. Pick a clear, solid base image before you vary it. The cleaner and more readable your starting point, the more coherent the strong variations tend to be. If you want exploration, strong variation is your friend. If you ever need just minor refinements, look for the subtle variation option instead. When the new results arrive, take a moment to open them at full size before judging. Thumbnails can hide useful textures and details, and strong variation often introduces interesting micro changes that only appear when you zoom in. If an alternative catches your eye, you can run strong variation again from that new image to push the idea even further. This is a great way to branch into multiple creative directions from a single seed concept. If the results drift too far, simply return to your original image and try again, or adjust your starting prompt next time to anchor specific elements more firmly. And that's it. Go to the Midjourney bot in Discord, choose the image you want to explore, and click Vary Strong. With those 2 actions, you can quickly expand your creative options and discover unexpected, high-impact looks that still respect your original vision.